Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my health and wellness planner for the week of January 13th through the 19th using the journaling kit from PlannerKate and some deco from SweetTPlans. I am on SweetTPlans PR team, and I've mentioned this a couple times before, so if you want to save some money, I will leave all of the information in the description box below. You will receive my freebie if you want to get that from SweetTPlans. It is perfect for the springtime and perfect for your springtime spreads, so definitely check out SweetTPlans. She's got a lot of really awesome spreads and kits and things, so I highly recommend you check her out. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into this week. So you guys, the first thing I'm going to do is, unfortunately, we are not using these weekly gratitude pages. I have not used them this entire month. So I'm going to take these out and we're going to set them aside, and hopefully within, once I'm better, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm still sick. I have a sinus infection and it has been really bad because the Florida weather just decided to change all of a sudden. So if I am able to get better and focus more on my gratitude and my journaling pages, then I will. But for now, we are just going to stick to the regular pages. So yes, I am sick. I got a sinus infection and it has been not fun, honestly. I've not been enjoying that sinus infection at all. But, such is life. It happens, and, you gotta roll with what you're given, but it has not been fun. So if you saw last week's video, then I was talking about how I was going to go to the gym and all that stuff. That did not happen because I got sick. So I'm really hoping that I will be better this week and I will be able to go to the gym, because I have been wanting to get back into my routines and get back into exercising and things for a while. So hopefully that will happen, but we will honestly have to see how the week goes. I'm not sure what's going to be happening, but we'll see. So I am going to use this corner piece to finish off the squigglies from this, because it is not a full, the spread is not complete. You guys understand what I'm talking about. Fixing it so that it is a completed little thingy. I guess I'll do it like that. So do you guys remember last week when I was saying how I was super excited because I was going to be having my PlannerKate trackers, my mood and health and all that stuff? The trackers were supposed to come in, and they were going to come in the day of me filming. Well, guess what? They never showed up. And they're still in transition. I guess they just got lost or something. I have no idea, but yeah, I am still waiting on them. So the reason why I'm saying this is because I was telling you guys that I was going to be doing not tracking my mood and such in the planner, but since it still hasn't arrived, we're doing that this week. So I will show you what I'm talking about once I finish this portion. I'm really trying to make sense. But apparently my brain just is like, actually, how about you do everything that you're not supposed to do? You need to go lay down. And my brain is like, I don't want to lay down. We love colds. They're so fun. How has your week been going though, you guys? It's already Wednesday. So has anything been happening exciting that you guys want to tell me about? Or maybe nothing has happened and it's just been a chill, boring week? I don't know what I was doing there. I was trying to do something, but I think it just didn't turn out like I wanted to. Anyway, I think we're gonna do, nope, we're gonna do this here. Ooh, or we can do this. There we go. And then we'll put this one right here. Ooh, flip it that way though. There we go. How fun is that? Okay, let's put the days of the week on because I probably should do that. But yeah, other than the fact that I've been sick, my week has been pretty okay. It's not been terrible. It's been really, really, really cold. So that has been fun. It was like 13 degrees on last Wednesday, and that was not fun. We were very cold all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. Which ones should we use for our food tracking and which one should we use for our steps? I'm going to do these for food, for calories. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm going in the opposite order of what I was doing before. Okay, that's the steps, or that's the food tracking. And then this is going to be our step tracker. Should we add just a bunch of these like decorations? I feel like we should. I also need to go get my, oh, what's the word? My pain trackers and things for the sidebar. That would be helpful. Should I do... We're gonna do this here. Might as well, right? Might as well have some fun with this. Let's put it here. There we go. And then this one, we could put... Ooh, how do we do this? Right, we'll do it like that. That would be fun. I'm really just playing around with this. I thought that this was a cool journaling kit, and I just had it in my stash, and I was like, you know what? This kind of looks like a February kind of color scheme, so let's use it. And I was like, that's a good idea. We shall. So that's exactly what we're doing. Let's do... Trying to figure out what I want to do for the numbers. Why don't we use these flags? I don't ever really use journaling kits. I have a ton of these from PlannerKate because I remember they were on sale and I was like, yes, must get right now, immediate. And I did. So that's why we have those, because I got them and I thought that they were, this was like a year ago maybe. I thought that they were really cool. So that's why I have a lot of them. Nope, we are not. Yeah, we'll just do that. I was gonna say we're not gonna do that, but it's fine. There we go. Now we have the numbers, and I think I want to use these. Just gonna have them as like little accents around on the page. I don't know what they're for, but I think they're cool. So that's what we're doing. I like that. That's super cute. Let's add the deco. Oh, and the trackers. Those would be helpful to do too. Hold please. Got our trackers. Anxiety, depression, and pain trackers. So we need all of those. We also need our meal trackers too, but I don't know where those are. So let's do the pain first. Anxiety and depression. And I will grab from my sticker book a breakfast, lunch, dinner script if I have one. All right, we're doing a little bit of creativity here because I don't have anything that says breakfast, lunch, dinner, but I do have this, and it's not going to say water, obviously, because this is not going to be our water tracker. But I wanted something that would match the colors that we've got here. And just like that, it says meals. Perfect. Not really, but it'll do. It'll be fine. It'll work. It'll be fine. It'll be okay. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, how would we do that? Probably could have done that in the first place without messing this up, but it's too late now. All right, there we go. Now we have something a little bit better. And it's time to add the deco. I need to do that before I completely forget what this spread is about. It's about health. So we are going to put all of the fun things on the page. I am honestly going to just sprinkle these around. I have no plan for how these are going. I'm just going to throw them around on the page and hope for the best. I feel like that's what we all do with spreads, but that's what I do. I just go, hopefully this matches, and go from there. You guys like that? Do you like me? Do you do that kind of thing? Probably not. I'm a very weird individual. Ooh, we're gonna put this up here because I think that's cool. I like to add a little fun to it. Okay, well that's just not working. There we go. That's better. And a little more fun here. Put this, let's put that there. Oh, nope, that's going to be right on top of the meals. Don't want that, but we could probably put it right there, right? Because it would be... Ah! Okay, you've got to let go. There we go. And we're going to take this guy, put him there. There we go. Okay. That there, and then put these like that. Then this needs to be there. All right. What do we think? Do we like this? I'm kind of okay with it. I think it looks pretty cool. And I can add the rest of this stuff to my reusable sticker book. And I won't have to worry about it. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the quotes. Okay, this says... Each day is a new start. Okay, I need to use my tweezers. I like these quotes. These are cute. We're going to use a lot of them. Ooh, prove them wrong. For sure. We're just going to use all of these quotes. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. Ooh, I decide my vibe. I like that. I'm gonna put that right here. Ooh. how about we put this one down there at the bottom. This says growth is a growth no matter how small. Because it's right by the measuring tape, you know? I decide my vibe. Always be kind. Oh, be kind always. Well, I mean, same thing, but put that there. All right, adventures are the best way to learn. I like that. Put that right there. Be the one who decided to go for it. I'm going to put that by the treadmill. Grow through what you go through. I mean, that's a typical quote. I like it though. I like the typical quotes. Make today great. We're going to put this one on Sunday because that's my Monday. That's, you know, like when everyone has, oh, Monday through Friday work schedule. Well, my Monday through Friday work schedule is actually Sunday through Thursday. So that's my Monday. Okay. This looks so fun. What do you guys think? I absolutely love it. So I forgot to mention, I do have a code for Hello Happiness Co. If you use code Megan20, it'll save you 20% off of your order from Hello Happiness Co. Etsy. I'll leave everything in the description box below. I really hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was inspirational to you. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section down below. And I really hope that this was a fun video for you guys to watch. Until next time, craft on. Bye guys.